Hey everyone, Adriel from FunnelFLARE here. Today I wanted to show you organization Kanbans. These are Kanban boards that let you see organizations and move them between different states. These states are all customized, so you can build them to whatever you want them to. In this instance, down at the bottom here, I've got them kind of following an account-based selling strategy, but this could be post-sale project management. You could use it to move accounts through an onboarding process. You could use it to categorize them based on what kind of business they are, all sorts of different options here. The first thing we'll need to do is set up our custom fields. We get there through administration, account settings. So once we're in account settings, we're just going to scroll to the bottom down to our custom field types. I'm going to add a custom field type for post-sale. And what this is going to do is allow me to onboard customers after they close. So it's going to be a single option pick list. It has to be one of those for it to work in that Kanban. A Kanban board, when you move those cards in between the different states, really an organization can only be in one of those states. So that's why I need this single option pick list. All right, I've added my options here. Again, this is for post-sale. You can do whatever you want to here. This is just something I'm going to use for customers after we've added them on and after we've won the deal. So I've got just closed, scheduled that call, done the first project meeting. We send them a satisfaction survey, and then they're fully onboarded. And I want to make sure that this is under the organization, and I'm going to save. And if you want to check to make sure it's there, just go over to organizations and you should see your new custom field. Your new field should be under the details under each organization. So here we have, there's post sale, and we can say just closed and save. And now that organization has that field set. Now I'm going to go to analytics dashboard. I'm going to create a new tab for that new Kanban I just created. Let's call it onboarding. Let's go ahead and add content. I'm going to use the organization Kanban. I'm going to configure, and I'm going to choose the custom field post sale. And as you can see, my different organizations are in the appropriate place. If I want to change their status, all I need to do is drag them from one status to the next, and it will automatically update. Now, one other cool thing I can do with these organization Kanbans is add a segment. So it would be interesting if I could see onboarding per country, for example. So let's go ahead under organizations, because it's an organization filter we're going to add. And we're going to add a new organizational segment. I'm going to call it companies in Canada. And under the query, I'm going to say country for the organization equals Canada. Now that I have that segment set up, I can head into my dashboard, go to my onboarding tab. So once I'm back into this organizational Kanban, I can choose to use the segments to better filter down these organizations. This can really be helpful if you're trying to target some very specific customers and you have a lot of companies in your database. This is just a test account, so we don't have that many, but we're able to filter down this listing very easily and very quickly move between different segments and add the ones that will be really useful to view. So these organizational Kanbans we think will be really useful for people out there, and we hope you love them. Thanks for watching.